Hi guys, welcome to another video from Technik. Today we're going to be showing you how to remove the single window switch as is located on the front passenger side and both of the rear doors if you have the electric rear window option fitted. This is for the Audi A4, S4 and RS4, B6 and B7 models for the saloon or the Avant models. So let's take a look at what's involved. So the first thing you have to do, unfortunately, is to remove the door card. You can't remove any of the switches from any of the four door cards on the B6 or the B7 without first removing the actual door card itself. So this is the first thing you need to do. We've actually already produced a video on how to remove your door cards, so if you're uncertain on how to do that, we'll add a link for you below this video on YouTube in the more information section. If you scroll down below this video, we'll have a link on the door card video there, so if you're unsure, have a quick look at that video, get your door card removed, come back, and then we can focus on actually getting these switches out. So now we have the door card removed, we can access the switch from the rear of the door card here. As you can see, we've got a little electrical connection, so I'm just going to get that removed like so. It's just got a little tab at the back there, just push that down and pull that out, and that's free to go. Okay, now if we have a look at the switch itself here, you can see that obviously this grey bit is the switch, this black plastic section here is the switch as well, and this kind of rubberized section right here, this is part of the door card. You see it's got two little slots in it, either side, and the switch has kind of a little plastic barb built into it that kind of snatches into these holes, and it has these on both sides of the switch as well. So we've got to carefully lever this out, and we'll show you how to do that now. Now what we'll do, whilst we're working on getting those little plastic barbs unhooked from the inside of the door card, what I'll also do is I'll put my thumb on the switch and I'll gently apply a little bit of downwards pressure so that when you do release those barbs, it will actually pop out. Don't press it too hard, just keep a nice kind of soft, even pressure on it, and whilst you work on the inside of the door card, trying to detach those plastic barbs, and that'll help you kind of pop it out when you get the barbs released. Now I find the easiest way to do this, I found a little tricks. I've done quite a few of these. As I said before, if you keep the even pressure with your thumb on the other side of the door card, just keep that pressing down gently, and then rather than attack these kind of barbs front and rear, if you grab the actual switch itself just on the rear there with your finger, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull this straight towards me whilst pushing down with my thumb. If you just kind of rock it a little bit, what you'll find there, it'll just pop. You see there that kind of the back of it's popped out, so it's just the front edge that's holding it in now. So I'll just show you that again really quick. I'll just pop that in. So what I'm doing is applying pressure with my thumb, as we showed you in the last clip. Put my finger in behind it and give it a kind of a bit of a rock, and it will just pop like that. So that's the first stage. Okay, so we've now got this at a slight angle, and we've freed the barbs that are on the rear. So now what we've got to do, put a little bit of focus on the barbs that are on the front. So you can see there, because I had some pressure with my thumb coming through on the top of the switch from the rear, it didn't take much just to release that and get that free. So I'll show you very quickly. If you have a look there, you can see, hopefully you can see that okay on the video just there. You've got these little plastic barbs, and there are 4 of them, and these are what sit in those slots. So these are the 4 that you have to focus on getting removed. So that is your single window switch completely removed and good to be repaired or replaced.